The greedy pav bhaji seller. In the bustling city of Mumbai, there was a popular street food vendor named Raju, who was famous for his delicious pav bhaji. Every evening, people would line up at his stall, eager to taste his flavorful dish. Raju's pav bhaji was known for its perfect blend of spices and buttery paos, making it a hit among the locals and the tourists alike. However, as Raju's fame and earnings grew, so did his greed. He began to think of the ways to cut the cost and increase the profit. One day, he decided to use lower quality ingredients, hoping that his customers wouldn't notice the difference. Instead of fresh vegetables and spices, he started using cheaper stale ones. He also reduced the amount of butter and uses artificial flavors to make the change. At first, his loyal customers didn't suspect anything, but soon they began to notice that the pav bhaji didn't taste as good as it used to. The rich, authentic flavor was missing. The pav was no longer soft and buttery. Disappointed, many customers stopped coming to his stall. Word of mouth spread quickly. The Raju's once thriving business began to dwindle. Ignoring the complaints, Raju continued his greedy practices, thinking he could outsmart his customers. One day, a renowned food critic visited his stall, curious to try the famous pav bhaji everyone had been talking about. The critic immediately recognized the poor quality of ingredients and wrote a scathing review, warning other customers about the decline in Raju's food. The review went viral and soon Raju's stall was deserted. Desperate and realizing his mistake, Raju decided to go back on using fresh and high-quality ingredients. But it was too late. His reputation was ruined and he had lost the trust of his customers. Raju learned a hard lesson about the consequence of greed. He had to work tirelessly to rebuild his business and reputation. Slowly but surely, with time and dedication, he started gaining back the trust of the few customers. He made sure never to compromise on quality again, understanding that honesty and integrity were the key to long-term success. Years later, Raju's pav bhaji stall regained some of its former glory, but he always remembered the dark period brought on by his greed. The experience humbled him, and he became the advocate for the fair and honest business practices, sharing his cautionary tale for other vendors in the city.